Hello, I'm David T. Rosen, founder of Co-op Business, and my goal is to help you quickly generate a sustainable cash flow to last you a lifetime. To do that, Co-op Business uses the world's first cooperative income system to help you generate a predictable, ongoing passive income. We call it POP income. Earning a predictable, ongoing passive income with Co-op Business is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Register for a one-time out-of-pocket $38, complete 2 simple, doable steps, one time, and start receiving cash flow every day for the rest of your life. As I said, there are just 2 simple, doable steps to start generating a huge POP income. 1, register and become an active co-op affiliate for a one-time out-of-pocket $38. And 2, personally register 3 or more who each become active co-op affiliates who do the same. That's it. There's no small print or hidden gotchas. Here's how. And no one does it better than Co-op Business. We leverage our relationships to everyone's advantage and compound them, creating a massive income for each of us. The math is simple for you, complex for us, but simple for you. We each reach 3 in 7 days and then continue to watch our POP income grow as we become debt-free, stress-free, and financially free. You become an active co-op affiliate for a one-time out-of-pocket $38 and then register 3 during your first 7 days, and of course, they'd be willing to do the same. When you do, you receive $35. That covers your next payment, putting your business in profit. Your team duplicates and each registers 3 who become active co-op affiliates. You then receive $47, and now your friends, well, they're in profit as well. Your team continues to duplicate, and you have now received $96. Now, are you starting to see a wonderful pattern? Your friends are receiving too. Your team continues to grow, and you've received $258. At this point, your $1-a-day subscription is deducted from your co-op wallet, providing you with another 28 days. No more out-of-pocket fees. At this point, you and your team have enough co-op royalties and are automatically placed into the Co-op Mogul membership. Your income begins to increase tenfold. For most of you, this passes another milestone as you have received a total of $2,360. That covers the monthly expenses for most of you around the world. And your team and income are still growing. I want to share this important fact with you as you pass week 7. Right now, you've earned $5,242, which is exciting. However, over 90% of your income is earned on the last 2 stages. Are you noticing how your team is only 1 week behind you in income earnings? That's the way the cooperative income system works. It is fair for everyone. As you can see, your income is growing nicely. Now, let me remind you, you haven't done anything personally since week 1. Many of you can now take a deep breath in relief as you paid off all your outstanding debt and you are now debt-free and stress-free. Now, the co-op bonuses are kicking into high gear and you're closing in on another milestone. At this point, you will be debt-free, stress-free, and financially free. But your income journey is not yet complete. Week 13 and your POP income is only at 9% of what you will earn every 28 days as you and your team complete the 2 simple, doable steps. You, your team, and their team are feeling excited and receiving a huge income as you sail through week 14. Okay, check this out. In week 1, you invited 3 friends to Co-op Business and you received $47. During the last 14 weeks, you personally haven't done anything, but your income has soared to $10,700,472. And your friends? Well, they're only 1 week behind you. This is how the cooperative income system works, as we use leverage and compounding to everyone's advantage. Imagine what your life will be like as you receive $10,700,472 every 28 days in POP income. You know how much it will cost. You know what you need to do, and you know what you will get for doing it. We've built the perfect business, co-op business, and we've built the perfect system, cooperative income system. Now it's up to you. I'm David T. Rosen. Co-op, get you money. Register with Co-op Business right now, and let's get busy with it.